purpose of compression is to A. Increase PRF, B. Reduce signal range to fit display limits, C. Adjust output power, D. Change focus depth. The right answer here is B. Compression effect and image. A. Spatial resolution, B. Dynamic range, C. Frame rate, D. Frequency. The right answer here is B. Compression affects dynamic range. Next, if compression is decreased, image contrast will A. Decrease, B. Increase, C. Remain constant, D. Become noisy. Right answer here is B. When compression will be low, contrast will be high. One C goes up, other C goes down. Next, increasing compression makes the image appear A. With more contrast, B. With less contrast, C. Darker, D. Brighter. Right answer here is B. More compression, less contrast. Next, which unit express compression level? A. Hertz, B. Centimeter per second, C. Decibel, D. Rales. Right answer here is C. Compression is measured in the decibels because it is change. Next, which adjustment increase number of visible gray shades? A. Increase compression, B. Decrease compression, C. Lower power, D. Increase PRF. The right answer here is A. More compression, more shades of gray. So there is very interesting story of three friends and one villain. So who are these three friends, three best friends? So these are compression, dynamic range and shades of gray. These three are best friends. They always play together. And who is their enemy? Contrast. Whenever these three goes up, contrast left goes down. And whenever these three goes down, then contrast goes up. Next, too little compression results in A. Flat gray image, B. Only black and white extremes, C. Noisy gray, D. Motion blur. The right answer is B. Narrow dynamic range, less shades of gray. So there is a very interesting story of three friends and one villain. So who are these three best friends? These are compression, dynamic range, shades of gray. And who is villain here? Contrast. So these three best friends, they always play together. Whenever high compression, there will be better dynamic range and also high shades of gray. But contrast will be so jealous, it will be down. And whenever these three goes down, contrast will be so happy, it will go up. Compression is a form of A. Post-processing, B. Pre-processing, C. Archiving, D. Output control. Right answer here is B. Why? Because it is done before storage. Dynamic range refers to A. Frequency bandwidth, B. Ratio of strongest to weakest echo displayed, C. Speed of sound variation, D. PRF setting. The right answer here is B. It is the range from highest to lowest intensity. Next, why dynamic range yields A. High contrast, B. Low contrast with many grays, C. Poor resolution, D. Color Doppler only. The right answer here is B. Higher dynamic range, higher shades of gray but low contrast because contrast is the villain here. While dynamic range, shades of gray and compression are the best friends, they always goes up together. Next, narrow dynamic range gives A. Softer image, B. Stronger contrast, C. Blurry picture, D. Less brightness. The right answer here is B. Low dynamic range means low shades of gray. Next, dynamic range is measured in A. Volts, B. Decibel, C. Megahertz, D. Gray levels. The right answer is B. It is measured in the decibels. Next, which imaging type usually needs narrow dynamic range? A. Orbs imaging, B. Cardiac imaging, C. Vascular grayscale, D. Abdominal imaging. The right answer here is B, because in heart we need more contrast, because we need a crisp display of the difference between white and black. So high contrast means there is good difference of black and white. Next, decreasing dynamic range from 80 to 40 decibel does what? A. Decrease contrast. B. Increase contrast. C. Brightens image. D. Darkens image. The right answer here is B. Smaller range mean high contrast because they are just meet to each other. One goes up, other goes down. Next, a monitor's dynamic range is usually A. More than 120 decibel. B. Less than 30 decibel. C. 60 decibel. D. Unlimited. The right answer here is C. Between 30 to 60 decibel. Next, demodulation converts RF signal to A. Electric current. B. Displayable video signals. C. Heat energy. D. Binary code. The right answer here is B. Makes the video viewable.